Is there any religious person, religious leader or spiritual leader or scientific leader or magician leader? Is there anyone among them from the non-Muslims who produce these kind of miraculous events of the weather transformation with the help of their gods and goddesses who they claim as the god of the universe? No, there is no non-Muslim in the world, and there will never be any non-Muslim in the world, because the one who creates and controls the weather system, the one who transforms the weather from extreme heat wave into cold weather, and from cold weather into extreme hot wave weather, and the one who creates the clouds, brings the clouds, transforms the cloud, disappears the clouds, and the one who creates the raindrops, the one who throws them on the earth, the one who brings it down to anyone whom he wills, is the one who claimed for it and proved it practically in the real physical world. And that one is the one who claimed it. He made those claims in the ancient book. That name is Quran. The Muslims study Quran, and the Quran was revealed on a person in the 7th century whose name was Muhammad, peace be upon him.